Hi Glam Stars, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet become an official Glam Star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one. And let's go ahead and get right into this video. So today I'm spilling some drink with all of my Glam Stars. Yes, I said it. Spilling some drink. I'm here to share with you all specific drinks that you can drink on the day-to-day basis that will help you to lose belly fat and to keep belly fat off. I made videos like this previously that help to keep the belly fat off, but today I wanted to share with you all an array of ways to get rid of that pesky belly fat. So here I am and I'm ready to share them with you all. So without further ado, you know what we're about to do. Let's get right to it. To gain pounds around the belly can be extremely easy, but sometimes losing them can be a nightmare and even more challenging than what you think. Therefore, it is important for us all to understand that losing belly fat is a gradual process that requires the right combination of workout and diet. It cannot be achieved overnight, but it is certainly possible to shed all of that belly fat with just some simple lifestyle changes. Number one on the list, we have green tea. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I love me some green tea. In fact, I loved green tea so much that I used to drink it every night before bed. Green tea is packed with antioxidants known as catechins that are believed to fight a stubborn belly fat. A lot of studies have shown that drinking green tea regularly can help to shrink belly fat. Catechins increase the release of fat from fat cells in the belly and also speed up the liver's fat burning ability. So if you did not know, yes, green tea is amazing for getting rid of belly fat. I definitely recommend consuming at least 1 glass of green tea a day. I specifically like to do it before I go to bed, but you can do it during the daytime or you can also do it at night, however you please, and it will help to keep that belly fat off. Green tea is also great for this time of the year when you could be trying to fight against, any type of colds or, just trying to boost your immune system. So definitely check out green tea for getting rid of belly fat and also for keeping that immune system in check during this time of the year. Number 2, we have honey cinnamon water. Cinnamon increases your metabolic rate, which hastens the process of weight loss. It also helps to metabolize sugar, which turns into fat and usually accumulates around the belly, of course. Mix about 1 teaspoon of cinnamon with warm water and honey and drink it every morning, and it should help to keep down that belly fat. That is an amazing hack that you can use each and every single morning that you wake up. It's pretty simple. All it is cinnamon, water, and honey. And honey, you are on your way to keeping that belly fat off, okay? Because we don't want the belly fat, okay? I mean, it'd be cool if we could distribute the belly fat in other places, but since you're trying to hit my stomach like that, I don't want you. I don't want you there. I don't want the extra weight. Goodbye. Number 3, apple cider vinegar with warm water. It is often suggested to start your day with some apple cider vinegar for smooth digestion throughout the day. Apple cider vinegar acts as a great bowel stimulant and keeps the pH levels in the stomach balanced, which can help you to achieve a flat tummy. Apple cider vinegar is known to suppress your appetite. You should have a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with warm water each and every single morning. Now, if you know me, I'm scared of apple cider vinegar. I'm still trying to get over my fear, okay? But I know for a fact that apple cider vinegar works, okay? If y'all have not seen my mom's videos about apple cider vinegar, because that woman loves her some apple cider vinegar, then go over and check them out. They helped her to lose a great amount of weight. I'm talking about a lot of weight. My mom lost a lot of weight just by drinking apple cider vinegar each and every single day, okay? No workouts, no dieting, no nothing, just lots of water and apple cider vinegar. So I suggest that you head over and that you check out her videos pertaining to apple cider vinegar, because baby, I don't mess with no apple cider vinegar. I can't deal with the smell. I can't deal with the taste. If I had to deal with taking apple cider vinegar, I would just be fat. No lie, okay? So definitely head over and check out my mom's videos on apple cider vinegar if you are interested in losing a great amount of weight without having to really do anything in order to lose it, okay? Next up, we have peppermint tea. Peppermint helps in digesting your food quickly and properly, which prevents the accumulation of fat. It helps in relieving bloating, which can cause a fat accumulation in the abdomen region due to your food not being digested properly. Peppermint particularly helps in processing the fat in your stomach. So if you're interested in tea, green tea and peppermint tea are the way to go, okay? And I love them both, all right? Let me tell you that. And last but not least, we have a celery juice. Just like peppermint tea, celery juice also helps in relieving bloating, which can lead to belly fat. It acts as a natural diuretic and thus prevents water retention by helping your body get rid of excess water. So if you are into juicing, definitely try out celery juice, or you can go purchase it at your local store, which is another great reason to check out my mom's channel, because she's also been making great videos about juicing and about her weight loss journey. So head over and check out my mama bear, because she is making some good videos over there if you have not already seen her channel. But these are some of the great ways to keep off belly fat just by consuming these specific drinks early in the morning or late at night, however you please to do it. These are awesome ways to keep off that belly fat. Most of them I've tried. In fact, all of them I've tried except the apple cider vinegar. I don't mess with apple cider vinegar, okay? You couldn't pay me to drink apple cider vinegar, but I might try it in the future. But right now, I can't do it. Okay, I can't do it. I absolutely love this Coldest Water bottle, and if you are on the journey of, you know, drinking any of these items each and every single day, then I definitely recommend checking out the Coldest Water. Whatever you put in this bottle, it will keep it warm or cold for up to 48 hours. Right now, I have me some good old green tea in here, okay? But you can put anything in here that you like to put in here, and it is keeping it warm, okay? And this is 36 ounces right here. They also even have bigger bottles. This is just an amazing company and an amazing brand for if you are on the go and you have to consume a specific type of drink each and every single day. In fact, in the morning I'll put 36 ounces of water in here, and by the end of the day I'll drink up that whole 36 ounces, which you all know we definitely need a great amount of water each and every single day. So definitely check out my links down below to purchase your very own the Coldest Water bottle, because it will definitely keep your water cold or hot, whichever one you'd like to put in here. And I just love it. I love it so much. Y'all know that I had to get pink, but they also have red, they have black, they have different shades, and I just love it. I love it so much. Let me have some of my green tea. Hold on a second. So anyways, y'all, that is it for this video. I hope that y'all definitely enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming. And if you watched the video to this point, comment down below, let's get snatched, okay? Because we trying to get these waists on fleek, okay? I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.